All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So male, male. Being a man. He is a male singer. They are male dancers. He is a male model. That's it. Male model. They were the male performers. Yeah, on stage, for example. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. So, he was the best male rapper. Yeah. So we think he was the best male rapper in Canada. Possible. Yeah. Did you see that male driver? We think it was a male suspect. We think it's a male suspect. We don't really know. She is learning about the male perspectives in life. Yes. So some people have a male viewpoint of the world. The world. I'll call this that. Yeah. I will be the best male role model possible. Yes. You are listening to a male teacher. Yeah. I'll call this that. Yeah. I'll call this that. So yeah, male. Yeah. She, well, anything. He, they, the company wants a male teacher. He is a male consultant. Not a consultant, but a male consultant. Yeah. So male, being a man. Being a man. Yeah. So I'll call this that. Now, can you use male in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanshev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.